Hello. Yeah. Now you guys can hear me. Uh, it is on my. So what do we have today? I will be analyzing it everything once again. I have to clear it everything. It is- uh, yeah, we are all good. Hello, 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 sir. Just give me a second. Let me just come live in Discord as well. Where is the Discord? Here we go. Welcome to the live stream in Discord as well. So coming to the I was trying some couple of trades in paper trading there. So let me just remove these exhibition marks. Yeah, let's go through the today's analysis here. So look at the Nasdaq. This is a week open Monday. Let's see. So this is a week open there. Let's open it. How can I just remove this mini feed, bro? Second. No need mini feed at all. Where's the chat? Live chat, live chat, live chat. Yeah, think we scene selector, and show selector, and legacy events, no legacy events, and recording preview, no mini feed, no audio mixer should be here. Yeah, yeah, that works. So we are looking for this weekly favor gap there. This will be a draw until it happens today. So look at this, like we are delivering from this change set of delivery. So let's see if we can have anything. Like we had this beautiful entry here, but I don't know. We would have taken this. I would have tried this on like if it is on 10 a.m. Even now we can take that, but look at this 15-minute like C3. I don't know. Like I'm a bit confused on that, but yeah, that's a good entry. We would have tried this 2 or 5. Let me just try this. Wait, my eval. Come on, bro. What the fuck this happens with me, bro? Let me try on another eval. I don't know if I'm gonna get that entry or not. No, we haven't yet got tapped. 15 minute open. Now we can get the tap. 2, 1. I can like check with a one micro there, but if only if I get an entry. How are you, by? I'm fine, bro. What about you? Let's try this with only one micro, not a big risk there. Let's try catching this. Only if we get tap, or else I'm gonna just skip it. ES is flushing like hell, bro. Like I don't know if even this can happen. Even this change in state of delivery can hold and push it lower. But yeah, I just don't want to risk a lot, so I'm just putting it over here. If it comes, taps, and then gives me entry, that's totally fine. If not, that's absolutely fine because this is not the time period where I should be trading. So that's the reason I'm just thinking of getting in with the one micro, which leads to me around 180, 190. Like consider that $200 loss. So I'm okay with that $200 loss, to be honest. So yeah, just letting it play. Look at that beautiful push down. Even this center would have worked. We are in, guys. We are in. Whatever now. I'm okay with like $200 loss if it uses. Yes, hold it. Hey, bro. Hey, welcome to the stream. What's up? How is it going? Let's see if that favor gap holds. I don't think so. Have to. That was a bit risky one, but let's see. Oh, I want this inversion. If this happens, I might bring my stop to the 50% of this week. What the fuck? I'm not getting those execution markings, bro. Even I want trade over it, and I don't know. I executed live here. I don't know what's that glitch in trade over. It happens a lot of times with me when I try to on the. We have a weekly fair value gap down there, so I'm expecting that to be tapped today, and I'm like like I'm expecting that to happen on this leg if it pushes lower. Let's see. I don't want this changing state of delivery to be formed. Yeah, I'm gonna exit it now because of this changing state of delivery. I totally don't like it. What just we got there? Changes state of delivery. How much did we lose on this? Maybe $15. That's totally fine. Not much. Almost break even there. Now I need more confirmation to confirmation to happen. Like I look at this bullish PD areas are getting respected. It fair value gap changes state of delivery and I don't want to be even if it's jobs around here. So yeah, we'll have more chance to trade. So yeah, $15 is not a big deal. Let me just let me just add a story for ourselves. Story for the live stream, guys. We got 3 followers today. Let's go. Six watching, guys. Let's go. Okay, what do we have? Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's see. Look at this. This is the reason why I exited that trade. Look at this. Bullish PD area is getting respected. So yeah, that was the reason. Basically, well, the reason I got exited there. So we are maintaining this weekly fair value gap as a draw for later. Maybe 10 a.m. expansion might clear it out, but expecting that to happen, that would be so good if that happens because that's our draw for today. I don't want it to get cleared before 10 a.m. obviously, but with such good, like with such a rejection candle, it's going to be like pretty confusing for us to trade today. So coming to the gold, what are we having? Gold, mm, gold this side, silver this side, micro silver, silver futures, whatever. So daily we are delivering from the previous, like we are delivering from this period A, taking previously high, and we also cleared previously low. So I don't know like whether we are going to push lower or anything because we don't have any draw left. The only draw we can target is this, but I'm not happy. Like I'm not sure we will reach there. Reach. Yeah, these lows are created taken already. Silver. These lows, yeah, these lows are already taken in silver, but silver. Sorry, these lows are already taken in gold, but not in silver. SMT indicator. Let me just show you guys SMT indicator. This is SMT indicator. SMT divergence V2 by order of options. You guys can take screenshot or rewind it and watch it if you haven't yet taken it. So yeah, previously high is taken, tapping instead of this fair value gap, and we push it lower. I would have targeted the previous low, but it is already taken. So we might just consolidate for today, or we can just push lower as well. But looking at the silver, these lows are not yet taken, but gold is already taken those lows. So the draw is already met. I don't know, like I think we are left with nothing today. We do have these NQ futures. Yeah, bro, NQ. We will trade NQ, but right now let me analyze the other assets as well. Okay, let me analyze the other assets as well. Give me a second. Let's see. So these lows are already taken. So I'm gonna just stay away from silver and gold today. Let it do its thing. And coming to the oil, beautiful in oil. We are having something interesting in here in oil. So I want to wait for current 4-hour candle closure so that we can get some Kraken correlation and push lower. Like we do have these lows to target here. If you see, why can't I see symbol? Symbol. Sharp values, profit values. So yeah, I want to see some kind of Kraken correlation with this high, and then we can look for these low resistance liquidity down here. But I don't think so. We are going to get that because we already taken this low, forming this as some kind of uh SMT. But I think we should take this with this strength switch if we get this. Look at this, another 18 seconds to go. So we might flush down and take this low as we already taken this in HO. Hawaii. Welcome to the stream, guys. Make sure to hit the like. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Hourly. Nasdaq. Okay, we do have this two-stage forming here. To have this two-stage. Beautiful. I've taken this entry, but that's a bit risky there. Not gonna lie, that's a bit risky. That's a bit risky there. Got this SMT up here. Which asset will play out beautifully according to you guys? Let's have a Q&A here. If this plays out, which asset will play much cleaner than the other? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Which asset should play better? Whether S&P 500 or Nasdaq? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Which asset should play better? S&P 500, as you guys can see, it is leaving those beautiful fair value gaps there and stuff. Or YM. Sorry, NQ. What do you guys think? Oh, the 10 is already open. Oh, oh, oh. Let's see. We do have this. What about this here in gold? Gold. Gold is looking good though. So of this 5 minute gap and this 15-minute gap as well. But it would be more better if if we would have cleared this high in silver. What about oil? Oh, sorry guys. This happens all the time. What about oil? What do we have? Okay, we do have this one stage in oil. Get this. Now, let me see if we can get a tap inside of this fair value gap. 2 minutes. Looks like we are going to be in chop for a while. Yes. And we are flushing in here in indices as expected. Weekly fair value gap. As I said you guys yesterday, basically, what did I say? Monday will be kind of rangy, and Tuesday will set the low of the day, and rest of the week will be classic expansion week. So Monday expansion, Monday kind of tight range, Tuesday setting the low of the week, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be classic expansion. So we are not going to hit all time highs today, but we might hit on Thursday or Friday. I would say, not on even Wednesday, because Wednesday will be covering up all these liquidity we pushed towards the weekly fair value gap there. No, we came back, stopped once again inside of this fair value gap. So now we can think of getting an entry if we get this closure here, or if we can get this closure here. So better go with yes on this 2R. Come on, bro, give us a tap. What? Okay, okay, we got tap. We just take it this side. We got tap, guys. We got tap. This is our Yankee. And we had a better RR in NQ though, but let's hold it in ES. What a beautiful tap in NQ, guys. A beautiful tap in NQ. I thought we should have taken in NQ, but looking at this expansion candle down here, I thought we might we might just, going to miss that in NQ. So I didn't take it in NQ. But let's hold it in ES. It's totally fine. Let's hold it in ES. Anyhow, we are going to reach the weekly fair value gap. But if NQ reaches that weekly fair value gap first, then that might be the problem there, because we are going to get that huge ass SMT, which is not good at all. Okay, might I should go break even here. Should go break even there. Okay, okay, guys, I'm gonna go break even there. I'm gonna go break even there. So if you guys have taken that entry, please go break even there, because that's the internal liquidity, and ES is kind of looks like kind of slow, and NQ almost reached that weekly fair value gap, which is my yellow line there. So if NQ hits first, then there's a high chance that ES might go and reverse it. So just just be safe, guys. That's what I can say now. Okay, let's wait for a flush. Come on, ES. Come on. Okay, we have this gap now. Bearish fair value gap. Let's see if we can hold it or not. Wait this a little bit because I have to cut this much of portion for my reels. You know. Oh my god, look at the NQ guys. Almost it was there. So what to be? Yes, sir. Welcome to the stream. Long time no see. I think you were stuck in some busy work, probably celebrating somebody's birthday, I guess. I don't know when is the birthday, but I'm just guessing. You didn't say me though. I got only 5%. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? It's okay if we get stopped out there. That's a break even. Not even bad. Oh, we are not getting stopped out. Maybe. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Come on, yes. Give us a give us a drop. Let's do it thing, guys. Whatever. If it stops me out, that's totally fine. But NQ, bro, bro, NQ almost delivered. TTR. NQ almost delivered. We inverse the fair value gap in 1 minute there. That's a problem to me, bro. And yeah, sometimes inversions don't work, but sometimes. But it's some kind of confluence to be safe on the trades on such trades in such situations if the price is consolidating and all. So talk in Hindi. So, क्या for your North Indian fan base. अरे मेरा नॉर्थ इंडियन फैन बेस नहीं है रे हिंदी का। एक तू ही है बस सुनना चाहती है मेरे मुंह से हिंदी। बाकी सब कोई भी नॉर्थ इंडियन नहीं है यहाँ पे तो एटलीस्ट मे बी वी आर अवे फ्रॉम अ टिक लेट्स गो यस take a house break even. We have a lot of stuff to do. We can go and analyze some other assets at least. Don't adjust. Don't waste our time here. Okay, यहाँ पे यस गिरता हुआ बट स्टिल इन्वर्जन होल्ड कर रहा है Maybe it will hold a little bit more. Hello, everybody. कौन वाला? Just give me a second, guys. Yeah, sorry guys, it's because my cat, my cat ran into the streets. I just went running and bring it back, bro. Cats are shit, bro. Where is my spec? Give me a second. Let me bring my spec. I'll show you guys my cat. Okay, we hit that weekly fair value gap. Do you want to see my cat, guys? Now, at this point, I don't know what's gonna happen. We might get stopped out at break even because the actual draw is met. The only reason to hold it is we haven't yet got our 2 hour. Okay, guys. So let's hold it for 2 hour. Let it flush. If this hits a TP, I'll show you guys my cat. Today your hair look well. I think. Bro, I just got a new haircut. That's it. Nothing much. हिंदी वाले किधर गए भाई? हो कि नहीं इधर? भाई तेरे को दिखाने वाला था मैं कैट मेरा। तू तो तू तो चला गया भाई। Okay. Yeah, consolidating now. Either we'll get a flush or we'll get break even. Nothing much. Yankee played out so good, so good. Oh, oh. It's a flush. Give us a flush. Come on. Come on. Very close, very close, very close. What the fuck it, bro? Yeah, let's go. Almost 2 hour. Almost 2 hour, guys. Crazy trade. But why didn't I get this execution marking even if I like executed in front of you guys? Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys my cat. Let me show you guys. Uh, Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. The only thing is it's bit, you know, it's like it never sits at one place. It's not white actually. It's orange like saffron kind of thing. That's very good exits there. Very good exit, I would say. How much are we at now? 555. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Just take a picture of it. Yeah. Yes, sir. Who is beast? Me or my cat? Who is beast, bro? Me or my cat? NJ, did you see my cat? NJ, did you see my new cat? So clean, bro. So clean. No. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you, bro. Just come to my live stream. Come to my live stream. Live stream, bro. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Wait. Where is our output? Output. Yeah. Now talk. Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah. Oh, fuck. I had this like weekly fair value objective like yesterday because yeah, it is something like uh the classic expansion week we'll get like Tuesday will set the low of week, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will expand, and Monday will be some kind of tight range as we got yesterday. That's what I was expecting. That is the reason I just traded my evals yesterday, but I had two losses, but somehow ended up making 600 plus yesterday as well. So it was pretty good day. I got uh, in the middle of stream out of nowhere, my cat ran out of my house, so I had to go and bring it again. Let me just show you if I can. Mm, it is connected to my this Signal Streamlabs, so I think you are unable to see. Let me just on now. Yeah, I'll just show you with my laptop. Laptop this only. Oh, yes, sir. Let me end my stream. I have got one winner, so I am not going to trade anymore. So yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Even I think I got this short to equal lows. I tried taking this equal low short here, maybe somewhere here. This was the short I've taken in my another account with this SMT up here. We had this SMT, and we had this pretty clean draw. I took this short like somewhere. I executed this market on market, so it was nice. But I didn't post it anywhere, so I'll be posting only these live trades. Yeah. So yeah, so just give me a second. Let me just end the stream. Anything else, guys? Both. Not both, bro. My cat is like kind of lazy. It will just eat, sleep, eat, sleep, eat, sleep. I have one or two rats in my house, but it never even tried to catch those. It's like, bro, I'm not interested. You are just giving me a lot of meal anyways, so I don't need to fight for a meal. When it's still sleeping. Come on, bro. Anyways, guys, anything else? You guys wanna ask any doubts or anything else you guys want to talk? I think we are ending pretty early today because we are already done with the trade, so there's no point of staying in front of charts. Just go out, spend some time with your family, friends. Trade recap of this trade? Sure, bro. So yeah, sure, bro. No worries. So let me give you a quick recap of this trade. So coming to the, let me just clear everything. Let me just come to this candle. Okay. So yeah, look at here. So this is our ES, Nasdaq, and this is our Yankee. And in both the assets, for today, we had a draw of this weekly fair value gap. Okay, as I explained yesterday on live stream, Monday will be kind of tight range for us, and Tuesday will set the low, and rest of the day will get expansion towards all time highs. So Monday played out as we expected, and Tuesday I was expecting it to come back and jump to this fair value gap. So following that context, we had our fair value gap as drawn liquidity for today. Okay, coming to the daily. Ooh, okay, so coming to the daily, look at this Monday, and let me just mark our weekly gap there. So this is our weekly gap. Okay, okay. So we haven't yet reached because this is a replay glitch. So guys know. So we had this kind of change in state of delivery and almost here as well. And coming to the 4 hour, 4 hour, give us a load. Okay, I don't know why we are not getting this. Okay, look at this. 6 a.m. So instead of 6 a.m., we are gonna get our market open. So this is our wall. I would say this is our change in state of delivery. The price should not go something like the price should not go something like this, disrespecting this and this high, as this high will stay as a protected high because of this change in state of delivery here. So we came back tapped once, as we are not as I'm not much interested on trading 6 a.m. candle. I just let it go. Give me a second, guys. Hold on. So yeah, we tapped once again. Look at this. What do we got? We have one stage. Look at this. PSP, PSP. So according to this high should stay protected, and this high should stay protected here. So now, in which asset you will be taking trade on? So for me, it would be NQ obviously, but the way the market reacted while I'm executing, it made me to take it in ES. So why did that happen? Let me explain you guys. So coming to the 15 minute, let me just go through the all the time frames. Okay. So look at this. What do we have here? Where was our entry? Where was our entry? Where was our entry? Okay, okay. So I was expecting my early entry was here. Okay. So I sorted it. I sorted it somewhere on here, keeping my stops above this high and targeting the weekly low. Well, even though this was a good entry, but I thought that that was not my type of entry. I would have not given this much of time to come back and tapping into this changes set of delivery and waiting for a lot of drawdown here and all the stuff. But I exited myself in between somewhere on here and $15 loss, and that's totally fine to me. I would have entered it once again here on this changes set of delivery, but I didn't enter and I left it. And after that, I was looking for this entry. And in NQ, NQ had a pretty much better entry than ES, but for me, NQ was delivering out of nowhere. Even though we have this changes set of delivery here, but for me, these wicks are not a good displacement sign. But when you look at the ES, look at this beautiful fair value gap we are delivering off of, plus this changes set of delivery, gap, fair value gap, rebalanced, and given us the another propulsion block. And I got my entry here, keeping my stops above this high, and my target was our usual 2R. So I exited exact at the tick here. You guys can see my live stream. Okay. So I came break even almost on this low. I entered on the limit here. I got a tap, we got a tap, entered and flushed out. Flushed down to the weekly low. This is our weekly fair value gap. And we somehow managed to get out to our. So that's basically a trade recap. If you guys want anything for me to explain about this trade, I hope it's clear, more clear. When if you even we got this small SMT down here, which I will not much consider because it's just a intercandle SMT, not not something which will impact a lot for you know particular transaction because it's just a very lower time frame. I would say very lower time frame. So I'll not consider it. So so the only best confluences I had is this SMT, this SMT, and this SMT here. One stage, two stage, change the set of delivery, propulsion block, and then another propulsion block and entry. For me, why didn't I take in NQ? Because these candles are not good displacement candles. So looking at this, we had a good displacement candle, leaving this displacement fair value gap, came back, tap, SMT, and another displacement candle, change the state of delivery, tap, and entry, and boom, we got 2R there. This is a beautiful explanation, like beautiful trade, not explanation. It's depend on your feedback if I'm capable of clearing your doubts or not. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you guys tomorrow again. Come watch print every day, baby. Let's go. So see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Your conviction towards this entry was just perfect. Yes, bro. Every winning trade looks perfect. But what about the losing ones? Those are more perfect than these because those teach you more than this. With this saying, we are ending our stream today. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.